Hey everybody, Scott Pierce here at Listening to Leads, and welcome to Playbook 5. And in this playbook, we're talking about short form videos, which are absolutely awesome. First of all, they're free. They're absolutely a fantastic way to get free branding, generate free leads. A lot of our clients using these are getting really great engagement from people in the local area. And so I want to have this video to walk you through how to use short form videos, scripts from Listings to Leads to really grow your business and grow your branding, generate more leads and a lot more engagement. So as part of our How to Make $250,000 a Year or More in Real Estate Masterclass series, Playbook 5 is right here. So Playbook 1 is marketing a for sale listing or an open house, whether it's yours or borrowed. And there is a short form video script for that. There's a short form video script for your pending and sold listings. So when you get a pending listing or a listing sold, either as a listing or selling agent, we got scripts for that you should be doing. Every week, we're sending out scripts for a buyer PDF guide and a seller PDF guide. So right there, you've got 3 scripts, 1, 3, and 4 that you should be doing every single week. And Playbook 2 there, the pending and just sold, you should be doing when appropriate, okay? So that should really be a minimum of 3 to 4 short form videos right there that you are doing every single week. Now, in Playbook 5, it's a little bit different because we've got a section in your Listings to Leads account called Social. And I'm going to walk you through first where to find all of these short form video scripts for the listings, for the PDF guides, even for recruiting, if you're signed up for that as a team or office. And then lastly, I'll show you the short form video scripts where they're at. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to send myself the script. I'm going to upload it into my teleprompter app for you so you can see exactly how to do it so that you can have a lot of confidence in getting this done. Because here's the thing, this video, doing short form video with the scripts that we're providing you is really one of the best ways to allow people in your local area to get to know and trust you. All right. We're going to be talking about listings. We're going to talk about topics related to home ownership and home selling, right? With the PDF guides. And then the social, right? The tab social in Listings to Leads has a lot of amazing things to really make you human, right? A little bit of a humor, a lot of local area stuff in there for you. And I think you're really going to love what you're going to see there. And this is really going to help blow up your branding and your business. I'm telling you, all you need for this, if you don't have one already, is a teleprompter app. In the email that you get from Listings to Leads, there's 2 links, one for teleprompter app in iOS and one for a teleprompter app in the Google Play Store. So you'll have access to those apps. This app here, and I know I'm scrolled down on the page, here it is. And this is the link in the email. So it's called Teleprompter App for Video, and it's $12. I think they've got a free version that you can use, but I went ahead and I paid the $12 one time, $12. And it's so easy to use. I think it's a great use of $12 if you need to pay for it to use it in the way that you need to. All right. So check that out. And again, the link will be in the email, and also I'll show you where it is in your account. Firstly, in Playbook 1, we talk about every week, you got to be marketing a listing, yours or borrowed. All right. Going to generate between, I think it is 23 to 116 leads a week. All right. And so so that's coming soon, just listed, active, or open house. All right. Again, yours or borrowed. In fact, let me go to a different listing here. Let me show you, let's use market listing. And so I'm going to show you where to find the short form video script right here. And here's the script. And what you do is you click the send button, and there's my email, and just send it to yourself. And then after I show you the other scripts in the system, I'm going to go to my phone. We're going to open up that email, and I'm going to show you how to get into the teleprompter app so you'll see exactly how to do it. Okay. For the PDF guides, for those scripts, click PDF guides in your account. And here are all my guides. So my seller guides are here. My buyer guides are here. And to access the scripts for any of them, click where it says more options, view PDF script. And there you go. And again, as I mentioned, here's a link for the teleprompter app for iOS. And here's a teleprompter app for the Google Play Store, if you don't have them yet. And then you'll see the scripts right here. Right. And so again, just like I mentioned before, more options, view PDF script, send it to yourself. All right. Send that script to yourself. And then again, in a few minutes, I'm going to be showing you how to open it up in your email from your phone copy and paste it into the teleprompter app and start generating some really good video. All right. So listings, PDF guides, and recruiting, we've got the scripts as well. So here's a section 100 tools to market listings, edit video script. And here's the script again, the links for the apps, the script itself. Oh, what happened there? Click on it again. There we go. And again, just click the green send button, send it to yourself, load it up into the teleprompter app and get going. So you've got so much great content already, and to really take it up a notch, in the section in Listing to Leads called social, you're going to see here all of the items that are in the goldish orange color here. So here we go, National Spouse Day maybe. So this is just a lot of interesting things. We're going to do like full moons, here we go, National Spouse Day, for example. So this is a post, all right? But look at this, view script, and here's the script, all right? And all I got to do is click send it to myself. And again, we're going to open it up in the teleprompter app and record a great video. Because listen to this, it's all about showing up, right? It's all about showing up on social media. So we're talking about listings. We're talking about, again, home ownership and home buying topics with the PDF guides. If you're doing our recruiting, we got really great value adds and how you're helping agents grow their business using the tools and Listings to Leads. And now, like I said, we're going to be talking about just topical things. And I've also got a great script for you to use to review local restaurants, local parks, local businesses that I'm going to share with you in a minute as well. All right, everybody. So once you get the script sent to your email, go to your phone, open up your email app, open up the email that you just got sent with the script in it. It's going to look just like this right here. And this is my phone. And you're going to see a little bit of information at the top. The two green buttons, the first one there is for the iOS. The second one is for Google Play for Android. And then you'll see that we got the script right below that. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy the script, highlight it there, pull it to the bottom, hit copy. So far, so easy, I think. Go to the teleprompter app, whichever one you want to use. You got two options that I gave you a minute ago. So here we go now. You're in the teleprompter app. At the bottom, hit script, and then hit the orange plus at the top right and hit create new script. And just tap here, tap again. See where it says paste it in, boom, you're good to go. Hit save. Actually, one thing real quick. I like to do this. I'm sure everyone is going to be different. Let's see here. Let me do this. What I'm going to try to do, I may not be able to. That's all right. I was going to just try to add a couple of spaces at the top there. So let's go back to scripts now. National Popcorn Day. And if I hit record, I could have recorded on the previous screen. I'd need to go all of that, but record right there. Hit it, and you're going to see the script. Now, at the bottom left is scroll speed. I like to slow it down. I will start. I'm not going to promise to record a whole video here, but I'm going to get it started just so you can see how it's done. So I'm going to hit the record button, and I'm just going to read it all the way through. Now, the first few times you get doing this, it may be a little bit uncomfortable, might be a little bit confusing. You may stutter and all that. That's going to happen. The more you do it, the easier it is and the better you get with it. You don't need to try to memorize every single word or say every word perfectly. The key is get through the main points and get a great video. All right. Your worst video will be the first one. Your best video will be as you keep doing them. So just start doing them. So here we go. I'm going to hit the button. Hey everyone, it's National Popcorn Day. And did you know that it's thought that corn was first popped in Peru around 4700 BC? I don't even know if they had popcorn back then. But now we mostly eat popcorn while watching movies. But in the past, popcorn was actually a popular breakfast food. And during the Great Depression in the 1930s, popcorn was one of the few luxuries that people could afford at 5 to 10 cents a bag. If you like popcorn, I'd love to hear your comments below on what your favorite type is and how you like to eat it. This is Scott Pierce with the Realty Demo, and I look forward to talking to you again soon. Record your video. You can play it back if you want. No, you're not going to be sitting at your desk like I am in front of a computer, hopefully. I think it's cool to be out and about, For example, on National Popcorn Day, I might try to find if there's a place that sells popcorn, maybe have some popcorn with me, maybe be in my kitchen popping popcorn while I'm holding my phone with the the tool there. But anyways, so you got the video and you can share from right here, or I just go to save to photos and then I'll go to Instagram, upload it as a story or a reel. Then I'd go to YouTube, upload it. It'll automatically upload as a short. And then if you're into TikTok, do TikTok as well. And then let me show you here, if I can, resize video, square or landscape. I'll do landscape. All right. And done. And then save again, save the photos again. Now that fourth video is a vertical format video that's going to be perfect on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. This version right here, the landscape or the square, would be perfect in listings to leads with a social media post, just like the straight video, right? Take that video and put it right on Facebook as a post if you want. Put it in your Facebook group. I think that'd be really cool topics to put in your Facebook business page, right? Can't always be talking about listings, can't always be talking about the different PDF guides. We want to really try to make you as human as possible. And so take these scripts, load them into your teleprompter app, get them on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, save it like I showed you there as either a square or a landscape format. You can even take that video and use it in an email, right? So especially imagine a listing. So I'm doing the listing script. Maybe it's a just sold listing. I'm using the listing script from Listings to Leads for that. And I could save it and use a program like BombBomb to send the e-file from my database along with that video and get more people to know and trust me. See how that works? All right. Listings, PDF guides, and social. Now, one more thing here before we go with Playbook 5, and that is right above this video in the blog playlist. So if you had a blog, the master course, how to make $250,000 a year or more in real estate, Playbook 5 here for short form videos. If you're watching the video on this page, you will see right above it a little bit is a script for you to review local businesses. It could be a restaurant. It could be a dentist, or it could be a park. And I'm going to role play this here real quickly with you. The script is here and you could do this every single day. Every single day, pretty much you can do this. And so I'm going to try to role play it off the top of my head with 3 different types of establishments. So the first will be a cafe where you get a coffee at. So I'll just go, hey everyone, Scott Pierce here at Pete's Coffee. And if you like lattes, you got to try out Pete's here on Douglas Boulevard and let me know what you think if you like it. I got a ice cold latte, absolutely awesome. I always get an extra shot in it just because I need to wake up a little bit more usually. So what is your favorite item here at Pete's? Love to hear what your comments are. Scott Pierce here. I'll talk to you soon. Just something like that. So this could be a park, right? So again, hey everyone, Scott here at Limby Park. And if you like hiking, you got to come to Limby Park and let me know what you think. I just got done with a 3-mile hike. It's a little bit of elevation, but the views of the lake are absolutely beautiful. And if you do it around sunset, the sunsets here are outrageous. I think you're going to really like it. So have you ever been to Limby Park? I'd love to know what kind of hikes you'd like to do. Comment below where your favorite hikes are. Again, this is Scott Pierce. I'll talk to you, something like that. So we're introducing ourselves. We're telling people where we're at. We're telling them why we're there. Items sold at establishment like coffee, a hike, what have you. Have they tried it out? Let them know what you think, or they should let you know what they think. Tell them what you ordered, a little bit about it, right? So I told you about a coffee, we did a hike, and now it could be a dentist, right? Or let's say a car mechanic. So I just got brakes replaced on my car recently at a place I think it's called Bertini's. And so I can say, hey everyone, Scott here at Bertini's Motor Works. And if you need your brakes done, you should really try out this place. I asked some friends of mine for a referral. And one of my really good friends who knows a lot about cars referred me here. And I got a great price on them. They got the brakes done in one day. It was absolutely awesome. What is your favorite mechanic? I'd love to know where you like to go to. But if you need a place for your brakes, you don't have one, by all means, you got to try out Bertini's. I think you'll really like them a lot. So anyways, until next time, I'll talk to you all soon. Ready to get it? So as you start doing this more, you'll get your wordsmithing a little bit better. But again, it's just talking about local places, talking about what you get there, right? What's going on there, what you got there, what it was that you did, what was your experience with it, and ask for comments. It's really that easy, right? It's not rocket science. So again, that type of script right here works. It could be a cafe, restaurant. It could be a dentist or a mechanic. It could be a park or other type of thing. It could be a church, right? It could be almost anything in your local area. And I'd really like to recommend that you try to do this at least a couple of times a week. All right. You could be, again, as real estate agents, we're all over the place, right? Did you go somewhere for your coffee this morning? And what I think what's really cool about this is this might get you to try out other places. So don't go to the same Pete's every morning, right? Don't that same cafe every single morning. Maybe once or twice a week, try a different place so that as you're walking out of that new cafe that you've never been to before, you can introduce it to your audience. All right. Obviously, we can't get our brakes fixed every week. It'd be a little bit expensive for that, but go to different parks, right? There are different parks around your area. There are different public areas in your location. Go visit them, right? Again, that could be, hey, this is Scott Pierce down in downtown Sacramento. And man, I tell you what, if you love walking around and seeing just beautiful old architecture from the 1920s and 30s, you got to come down to Midtown. It's absolutely awesome. I could walk around here for hours. Have you guys ever been down to old Sacramento? If you have, I'd love to have you comment below. Tell me what your favorite buildings are, what you like to do down here. Again, this is Scott Pierce. Talk to you all soon. Just like that. It's so easy to do, right? So again, if you have any questions on this playbook number 5 within the how to make $250,000 a year or more in real estate, let us know how we can help, and we'll talk to you soon.